Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning and teaching platform. As you all know, Unacademy offers plus courses for Karnataka CET students. Students who are writing the CET exam in the year 2021 can subscribe the plus courses. We have three different plans. We have 12 months plan at the rate of 12,375. We have a 6-month plan at the rate of 10,125. We have a 1-month plan at the rate of 2,250. So students, Unacademy offers plus courses for Karnataka CET students. Students who are writing the CET exam in the year 2021 can opt for any one of these plans. 12 months plan at the rate of 12,375, 6-month plan at the rate of 10,125. We have a trial offer of 1-month plan, and it is for new subscribers at the rate of 2,250. Now, what is a plus course? A plus course is a structured live courses. You will have all the topics of class 11 and class 12 will be done in detail. There will be also live doubt clearing sessions where you can clarify your doubts, you can strengthen your knowledge, you can strengthen your concept related to chemistry. We also have quizzes at regular intervals. Now when I say quizzes, it is for your self-analysis or to find out whether you know the topic very well or do you have any doubts. So quizzes will help you to understand the depth with which you know the subject. The comprehensive batch for the year 2021 has already begun, student. Therefore, see to it that you are joining these batches by making use of the code BHAVANILIVE. You can see on the bottom, you can make use of this code BHAVANILIVE. This code will give you the benefits. So whenever you are subscribing a plus course, kindly make use of this code BHAVANILIVE. Apart from all this, you will also have daily practice papers. You will have a full-length mock test. So both of these will help you to prepare for the competitive level exam. For a single subscription, you have unlimited access. Therefore, students, kindly inform your relatives, brothers, sisters, your own classmates, your juniors. Inform everyone who want to excel in CET 2021 about the plus courses, and whenever they join the plus courses, let them make use of the code BHAVANILIVE. Okay. Hello students, let me welcome the students to the class. Good afternoon students, I hope you all are ready. Okay. So we will go to today's session. As I told you, from today onwards, I am starting dealing with mole concept, that is basic concepts of chemistry. So we will be having questions from basic concepts of chemistry. You know class 11 topic, student. From class 11, we are going to solve question one by one. This is a chapter which will give you basic for all the remaining chapter also, and the questions have been appeared for your CET exam from this chapter. But then the questions you can attempt because it's easy to answer, it is easy to attempt. Therefore, we will be studying this in detail one by one. Meanwhile, students, if you are liking my class, kindly press the like button. Okay, and also share these videos among your friends and see to it that you are pressing the bell icon so that you get the notification, the required notifications. Okay, so I hope all are ready. So we will start with today's session. You have question number 1 on your screen, student. 100 ml of N/5 normal HCl was added to 1 gram of pure calcium carbonate. Students, 100 ml of 5 normal HCl was added to 1 gram of pure calcium carbonate. What would remain after the reaction? So once these two are reacted, what is remaining after the reaction? 0.5 gram of calcium carbonate. Neither calcium carbonate nor HCl. None of them. Option C, 50 ml of HCl, and option D, 25 ml of HCl. Students, if you have some answer, if you are solving it, you can write your answer in the comment box. So among the 4 options, A, B, C, D, just see which one will be the right answer. So 100 ml of 5 normal HCl is added to 1 gram of pure calcium carbonate. Okay, 1 gram of pure calcium carbonate. So, do you have some answers, student? If you can see here very clearly, 100 ml of 1/5 normal HCl is added to 1 gram pure calcium carbonate. Student, here the HCl is given in terms of volume and the calcium carbonate is given in terms of grams. So let us convert both of these into number of gram equivalent. How to convert number of gram equivalent when volume is given? What is the formula, student? Formula will be V into N/1000. Okay. Let us convert this part also into number of gram equivalent. Since it is given in mass, what will be the formula? W/E. E is nothing but equivalent mass. So volume given as 100. Normality is 1/5, student. 1/5. Okay. And into 1000. Into 1000. W, the mass of calcium carbonate, is given as 1. Equivalent mass of calcium carbonate. Equivalent mass of calcium carbonate is equal to. Equivalent mass is equal to the molar mass and the charge. What will be the molar mass, students? This is 48. Oxygen 16 into 3, 48. Carbon is 12. Correct? Calcium is gram equivalent, and this is also 1/50 gram equivalent. We know that 1 gram equivalent mass of a substance react with 1 gram equivalent mass, the gram equivalent mass, isn't it? When two substances react, they react with their gram equivalent mass. You can see here the gram equivalent mass is the same. The number of gram equivalent mass is same. Two substances react with their gram equivalent mass, and the gram equivalent mass is same. That means the two substances are reacting exactly. They are reacting completely. Therefore, there won't be any calcium carbonate left nor some HCl left. Answer will be option B. Neither calcium carbonate nor HCl. So answer will be option B. I hope it is clear. Okay. We'll go to question number 2. The volume of carbon dioxide in centimeter cube liberated at STP when 1.06 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate is treated with excess of dilute HCl is. So students, you have to find out the volume of carbon dioxide liberated, that too in centimeter cube at STP. Volume of carbon dioxide liberated when sodium carbonate is treated with excess of dilute HCl. So we will see the possibility, student, here. Any student, anyone has the answer? Is it 112 centimeter cube? Is it 227 cm cube? Is it 56 or is it 2240 centimeter cube? Students, do you have some answer? Sodium carbonate is treated with excess of dilute HCl. Solve and try to find out the answer. Meanwhile, I will also solve here. So let us take sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, treated with excess of HCl. So as you can see, you are getting sodium chloride plus water, correct? Okay, so 2 NaCl, 2 HCl. So you are having water and then carbon dioxide. This is a reaction. Sodium carbonate, HCl is added, carbon dioxide gas is liberated. Okay. Now look at the question now. You have to find out the volume of carbon dioxide liberated. That too you have to find out in centimeter cube. Okay, when you take 1.06 gram of sodium carbonate. So this problem is mass volume relationship. You have sorted out, you have solved in your class, mass volume relationship. So what will be the mass of sodium carbonate? You know, according to this balance equation, 1 mole of sodium carbonate gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide, isn't it? What is the mass, total mass of sodium carbonate, students? 23 into 2, 46, plus carbon, that is 12. Oxygen is, you know, it is 16 into 3, 48, isn't it? So 48, 58, 60, so 106 gram. 106 gram of sodium carbonate. 106 gram of sodium carbonate has given 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide at STP, you know, it has a volume of 22,700 centimeter cube. We all know 1 mole of any gas at STP is nothing but 22,700 cm cube. Therefore, 1.06 gram gives how much carbon dioxide? You know, it's easy to solve. It is 1.06 into 22,700 divided by 106. Correct? Okay. So you will get 0.01, isn't it? 0.01. So your answer will be 227 centimeter cube. Answer will be option B. Option B is the right answer. Okay, I hope it is clear, students. We'll go to question number 3. Number of atoms in 560 centimeter cube of oxygen at STP is. So how many atoms are there in 560 cm cube of oxygen? You can solve this problem. You know that when I say 22,000, when I say 22,700 cm cube, it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules, students, molecules of oxygen. Correct? Therefore, 560 centimeter cube contains how much? You will get X molecule. You think your answer is X molecule. Now you know one oxygen molecule has 2 atoms. X molecule has how much? That means X into 2. Whatever answer into 2. Therefore, instead of keeping all these steps, let us reduce the step. Let us do it in the first step itself. Okay. So here itself I am going to make a change. Just I have shown so that you understand. So here itself I am going to show it as 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay. So this will be 560 into 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 22,700 cm cube. Okay, 22,700 cm cube. So you will get somewhere around, see, this will be how many times you are going to get? Almost, the answer will be, I think, look at the possibility now. So, is it 1 by 20? See, if it is 4, I think it is 20 times, correct? And you have 2 here. 2 here means you will have, what is the answer you are getting? 1 by 20 into Avogadro number. So you will get 1 by 6022 into 10 to the power of 23, isn't it? This is almost 2 times. So you will be getting the answer as 1 by 20. Okay. So answer is option A. Go to question number 4, students. The volume of 0.1 molar oxalic acid that can be completely oxidized by 20 ml of 0.025 molar potassium permanganate solution is A. 37.5 ml, B. 125 ml, C. 25 ml and D. 12.5 ml. So among the 4, whichever is the right answer, we are going to pick that answer. Okay. So you have to find out the volume. You can see here, students, the two, one is oxalic acid and the other one is potassium permanganate. You have to find out the volume of oxalic acid which is required or which can be completely oxidized by 20 ml of 0.025 molar KMnO4 solution. Students, you can try and you can tell me the answer if you have some answer. Okay. Anyone has the answer? Okay. We will try to see this one, question number 4. Now you know oxalic acid, one is oxalic acid and the other one is potassium permanganate. So if I am solving this, I can use the formula A1B1 M1 that is equal to A2V2 M2. I know the volume of potassium permanganate, molarity is known. I know the molarity of oxalic acid, volume is asked. Only thing is I need to find out A1 and A2. So how do I find out A1 and A2? Either you can directly find out, because if you know the equation you can directly find out. So you know potassium permanganate is reacting with oxalic acid. See, it's not essential that the entire equation you might be knowing it. You know potassium permanganate changes to manganese sulfate, correct? That means it is +7 to +2. So change is 5 here. 5, the unit 5, change in oxidation number is 5. Similarly, when I say oxalic acid, it will give you CO2, carbon dioxide, okay? So if I am writing C2O42 minus, giving carbon dioxide, this is -4 and this will be 3. That means +1. There are 2. I need to balance. So this is change is 2. Correct? I hope you know how to calculate. 2x minus 8 equal to -2. So 2x is equal to 6 students. So x is equal to +3. Here it is 4. So change is 1. But we have not balanced. So multiply by 2. That means 1 also should be multiplied by 2. So this is 2, this is 5. So now we know how much is A1. A1 is 2, correct? A1 is 2. Volume is asked. Molarity is given as 0.1. A2 is change in oxidation number is 5. V2 is 20 and molarity is 0.025. So V1 is equal to, this is 100 into 0.025, isn't it? 100 into 0.025. Uh, 0.025 divided by 0.2, 0.2. Okay. So how much you're going to get? See the possible calculation and find out 2t, that means so you will be getting the answer as, is it option A, option B, option C, option D? What is the answer, student? How much is the volume you are getting? Option D, that is 12.5, isn't it? So you will be getting 12.5, isn't it? I hope you have understood it. Is things are clear to you? Okay, so 500 into 0.25 you are getting, isn't it? So this will be 500. So into 0.25, that will come as 12.5, isn't it? So answer is option D. Go to question number 5. The total number of electrons in 80 ml of water is, okay, 80 ml of water. You have to find out the total number of electrons. Now what is 80 ml of water means? You know density is equal to mass by volume. So let me find out the mass. Mass is equal to density into volume. So when I say density is 1 gram, so density is 1, volume is 18, that means mass is 18 gram. So when we say 18 gram, students, how many moles? 18 gram of water means 18 gram of water is nothing but 1 mole of water. You know H2O means 2 plus 16. So it is 18 gram. 1 mole of water. Okay. Now we know 1 mole of water contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Right? 1 mole of water or 18 gram of water has these many molecules. Now we have to find out the number of electron. If I take water, 1 molecule. If I take 1 molecule of H2O, you know hydrogen has 1 electron. 2 hydrogen has 2 electron, and the number of electrons in oxygen, students, how much it is? It is 8 electron. So totally there are 10 electron. So 1 molecule has 10 electron. These many molecules has how many electron? That means these many molecules into 10. So 6.022 into 10 to the power of 24. So answer will be option D. Option D will be the right answer. I hope it is clear. All the steps are clear to you. Okay, we will go to the next question. A mixture of 2.3 gram of formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight of the remaining product at STP will be. Is it 4.4 gram? Is it 1.4 gram? Is it 2.8 gram? Or is it 3 gram? So you have to find out the amount of gases which are remaining, student, at STP. If you have some answer, you can tell me. Okay. So let us try to solve this question. Formic acid, you know the formula, HCOOH. Formic acid. Passed through concentrated sulfuric acid. You know what happens? H2O is removed. Sulfuric acid dehydrates. So carbon monoxide is removed. 2.3 gram of formic acid. So mass 2.3 mass by molar mass will give you number of moles. So number of moles is equal to okay. So if you are writing number of moles, that is mass by molar mass. And what is the mass of formic acid, students? 2.3. What is the molar mass? Now molar mass of formic acid, you know this is 2, hydrogen is 2, carbon is 12, oxygen is 32. So how much you are getting? 32, 34, 42, 34, 46. So 2.3 by 44, isn't it? So it is 0.0. How many times it will go? Okay, 5 times. So you are getting 0.05 mole. Now we will see oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is H2C2O4. Pass through H2SO4. H2O is removed. So you get a mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Both are gases. But we know that the gas obtained is passed through KOH pellets. KOH will absorb this CO2. So CO2 will not remain. The carbon dioxide will be absorbed by this KOH pellet. So remaining is once again carbon monoxide. Same thing we have to find out the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass, and the mass is 4.5 gram. Molar mass of oxalic acid. Find out, students. 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 64 plus 2. So you are going to get 88. That means you are getting once again half of it, isn't it? So 0.05 mole. Correct, students? So 0.05 mole. The 0.05 mole of formic acid is taken, 0.05 mole of oxalic acid is taken. According to the equation, 1 mole of formic acid has given 1 mole of CO. That means 0.5 mole of formic acid will give 0.5 mole of carbon monoxide. Similarly, 1 mole of oxalic acid has given 1 mole of CO. That means 0.05 mole should give 0.05 mole of carbon monoxide. That means carbon monoxide produced is 0.05 plus 0.05, that is 0.1 mole, isn't it? 0.1 mole. But they want in mass, they do not want it in mole because they have said in gram. So we know the formula, just now we have written number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Number of moles is 0.1. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? 12 plus 16, that means 28, that is equal to mass. So it is nothing but 2.8 gram. So answer will be option C. Okay. So thank you students. Thank you for attending the class. Day after tomorrow, that is on 9th, I have my session again on the same mole concept. It is only half an hour session, student. Therefore, kindly join exactly at 2 o'clock and see to it that you will be attending these classes. And please make a note, it will be on 9th exactly at 2 o'clock. And try to join, try to tell your friends also. The same topic I will be continuing, that is mole concept. If you are liking my class, kindly press the like button, and also share the videos among your friends. And also press the bell icon so that you get further notification about my classes. So don't forget to press the like button, and also you can share your valuable comments also. See to it that you are sharing these videos. So like, share and subscribe, and see to it that you will be attending the classes once again on 9th exactly at 2 o'clock. Bye students, take care. Meanwhile, keep studying for your competitive level exam and keep preparing for the next competitive level exam. Okay. Bye students, take care.